So what are you going to be when you grow up?
FBI.
And what made you decide to join the FBI?
To my criminals.
You want to solve cases?
Yes.
What kind of crime do you want to investigate? What type of crime? Gang related, drugs, murder?
Murder.
Oh, you want to investigate murder. Any particular reason?
No.
No particular reason. Well, what gets you excited about that?
When I know.
Putting the bad guys away?
Yes.
All right. I think it's a great idea.
Yes.
So do you know what the FBI stands for? You know what the letters stand for, what each letter means? For FBI?
No.
It means Federal Bureau of Investigations.
Oh.
So you're investigating, right? So that's the I. And a bureau is a way of saying like a ministry or an agency. And federal means it's at the top of the government. So it's the Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Yes.
So what grade are you in?
Grade 2.
Grade 2. Well, I saw you were asking some questions about this engine here. So I was thinking maybe you were interested in auto mechanic.
No. I just want buy the car like that.
You want a car like what?
Like this
Do you want to
one.
buy that one? I'll sell that to you.
How much money? For 10 US.
10 what? $10?
10 US.
10 what US? $10, 10,000.
$10.
Can't do it.
120.
But you have a few more years to go till you can drive it anyway.
One drive one first car like that.
Yeah. You want to drive a standard.
That's one drive
Well, if you're an FBI agent, you'll probably have to drive one like that, a shifter. Because you'll be chasing down the bad guys, so you're going to have to go fast.
Yeah. So we're going on car accident to where people in area.
Got to be able to drive up and around them. You have a little car, zip, 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 in and out of everything. So is that how you drive your bicycle?
Yes.
Fast and zip in and out of things?
Yes.
Very good. All right, well, I appreciate you. Take it easy, man. Later.